Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Shiba Inu staking for crypto passive income in 2022. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. People who come to me for advice often think that trading is the only way to make money in crypto. Since this seems so complicated, most of them end up looking elsewhere. It's very easy to make money with crypto, and trading isn't the only way. So I decided to look at crypto earning through staking from a different angle and explain how to earn passive income by staking Shiba Inu in 2022. So how much can I make with staking? Staking a Shiba Inu can give you 3% to 5% annual percentage rates. You can buy and stake Shiba Inu coins on either Binance or Crypto.com. So if you staked 1,460,000 SHIB for 360 days, you would get an extra 73,800 coins. This is a good plan for people who want to keep the coin for a long time, since the value of the coin might go up in a few years, meaning that 73,800 times 0.1 could be worth $7,380. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you how staking could work in some situations. I think you should find out more about the coin and this choice. How do I stake in Shiba Inu on Binance? Step 1. Sign up for a Binance account. Step 2. Add money to your account or deposit tokens to buy a Shiba Inu. Step 3. In the menu, click Staking under Earn. Step 4. Look for Shiba Inu under Locked Staking and click Stake. Step 5. Type in how much you want to stake and click Confirm. Crypto.com is another option for staking Shiba Inu. Step 1. Create an account for Crypto.com. Step 2. Buy Shiba Inu tokens or send them to someone else. Step 3. Click on the icon in the middle of the bottom bar. Step 4. Click on Earn and then click on Start Earning Now. Step 5. Choose Shiba Inu and then do what it says. So one will ask, what is the meaning of crypto staking? Holding a cryptocurrency in a wallet for a set amount of time and then earning interest on it is what staking means. Depending on how long you hold it, the reward you get from staking changes. The longer you keep your stake, the more you get back. So the benefits of staking crypto is, it's a simple way to make money on the cryptocurrency you already own. For crypto staking, you don't need any tools like you would for crypto mining. You are helping to keep the blockchain safe and running smoothly, and it is also better for the environment than mining for cryptocurrency. In 2022, crypto staking has become an attractive way for people who hold cryptocurrencies and want to make passive income from them. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly, so click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.